Let's repair nature. We're breathing new life into severely degraded farmland that has fallen victim to intensive farming and deforestation over the last 60 years. We want to respect the planet's virtuous circle. More trees, more humidity, more clouds, lower temperatures, regenerated soil, quality harvests, and healthier people. Our means, patience. By revegetating land that has been left to rest, the soil is brought back to life and the natural balance of the land is restored. Biomimicry. We select trees and plants that help each other to develop agroecological crops that contribute to the return of biodiversity. Intelligence. Because every drop counts, we implement a range of measures to optimize the circulation and storage of water, such as keyline soil management. Research. Thanks to our research in the field, we are able to obtain promising results, which we share with producers who are aware of the issue. Demanding standards. We stand by our convictions at every stage of our value chain. Today, we are proud that the carbon footprint of the production of our almonds and chocolates is negative. Together, let's sow the seeds of a sustainable future where nature and man coexist in harmony to offer future generations a world that is more fertile and more respectful of our planet.